To realize robot welding, we need to do two parts of the work. The parameters of a robot welding machine need to be set first. Secondly, the robot teaching and programming should be carried out. In Bertrand control system, the first part is packed into a process package. 1. Connection with welding machine. Welding robot system is generally composed of industrial robot, welding gun, weld feeder, welding machine, and isolator. The connection between the control system and the welding machine includes I/O input, I/O output, and analog output. The details are shown in the picture. 2. Create welding process package. There are 5 steps. Step 1. Select the welding machine. The system provides several welding machine brands. You can choose one and set the welding mode. Step 2. Set the time parameters of voltage control for each operation step in the welding process. Step 3. According to the welding machine manual, find the control port and configure the I/O ports of the Bertrand control system. Step 4. According to the process requirements and welding conditions, set the control voltage and feeding speed required for each operation step in the welding process. If selecting Enable Backward function, you need set the backward distance. Step 5. For analog welding machine, in order to realize the analog control of current and voltage, it's necessary to correspond the value of I/O output port with the actual required current and voltage. That's calibration. After setting the parameters, you should create a name and click Save. 3. Use of the welding process package. The welding program is shown in the figure. There are 2 ports to load. Point 1. In the program, begin welding and end welding should appear in pairs. Point 2. The program motion type of welding segment must be linear, arc, circular motion, or delay of spot welding, not joint